Welcome back. Now I'm just helping a friend changing the parking light bulb on his Camry. So he has the same car that we has one of. So here you see a couple of Camrys. 2000 and when they come 2002, 2004. So now it's supposed to be very easy. Of course it is. Parking light bulb is up here. Bang. Parking bulb is under here. See if I can see it good enough. There, twisted anti-clockwise. There you see light bulb is standing a little arm to get far enough out in the light. This use for us in Norway quite ordinary w5w 12 voltage 5 watts small light bulb. There, all new. Very simple connection, just push it in. Now I have fingered on it, so I can just take off some of the fat. There. Just find the same hole in here, push it in and twist it the other way. There, I'll twist it clockwise. Now it's only in. Then we should get ordinary light. There. You see the park light bulb is high up here. So now it's working. And this side is working. So this is a very simple operation, as long as you have some force left in your right arm. This left hand side, driver's side for us, is the battery. So it's a little less space. The other side is the same. Here we have the connection standing under here. This is the right hand side, and here we have the problem with this filling up of window fluid. But here also, here it was very easy to take out. There. So this is a very simple thing. It's no problem. Just buy some light bulbs and have them lying in your car. Please put a like on the video if it helped you and if you think it's important. And please follow the channel and write a comment if it's something else you would like to understand and see. So, goodbye.